If you're looking for help with the RPR map, you're in the right spot. We'll cover how to use the map visually to search for properties and uncover market trends. From aerial, road, and overhead views to schools, estimated values, heat maps, and geographic overlays, I'll show you just how easy it is to draw or designate your map in ways you need for your business. Let's get to it. There are multiple ways to start a map search, but the quickest is to simply click the Research menu and select Map Search. Enter in a geographic search area, including any filters in the top search bar. Your advanced search filters are accessed here. Note that you'll search residential properties on the map if you're toggled to residential here, and you'll search commercial properties if toggled to commercial. Check out our Commercial Map Insights video to walk through commercial map search and analysis. RPR has a max number of properties that you can display at one time. Once your search area exceeds 5,000 properties, RPR will show a message requesting that you adjust your search filters to narrow down your results. You'll also see a message if your search exceeds 500 results that the display is limited to the first 500 properties. Select the orange magnifying glass to search, and your results will appear on the map. If you do a search from the homepage search bar, when you arrive at the results list, choose the map icon. Also, from any property details page, you can select the map to open a new window with your interactive map search tools. In this view, you can define your own search areas by drawing them on the map or by displaying the outlines of geographies such as neighborhoods, zips, cities, or counties on the map, and then searching one or more of those areas. Before diving into the map search options, let's take a look at your map controls and view. To the right of the map, you can increase or decrease the zoom level by selecting the plus or minus icons. Select the Your Location icon to spotlight your current location on the map. Note this only works if you've allowed your browser to access your location. To increase the size of your map to full screen, select the cross arrows. Select again to return to fit within your browser. The View icon allows you to change your map view to satellite, aerial, road, or terrain. And at the bottom right of the map, select the legend to see a key of the map icons. Now that we have an overview of your map controls, we'll take a deeper look at each of your map searches. Select the pencil draw icon to create a custom shape on the map. You can choose to draw freehand or select a shape, radius, polygon, or box. All the drawing tools work similarly, with each serving a different purpose. The radius search can be useful if your search involves a landmark or a property you need proximity to. The polygon search can be helpful when you have clear, linear boundaries for the area you want to search, for example, a highway or a river. And the box search can be useful for finding a potentially representative sample of properties in an area you don't know well. And the freehand search allows you the most flexibility to your search parameters. We'll select freehand. Click your mouse and hold down as you draw a shape. When your shape is complete, release the click to finish drawing the area. The key is to keep your cursor selected until you are finished. As soon as you release the mouse, a window will pop up showing the custom area size. Select Search in this area to search for listings within your custom shape, or create Market Activity Report to redirect to the report's generation page and generate a market activity report for that area. You can also delete the custom area, edit the area, or save this selected area by choosing Save Area. If you choose to save, you'll be able to enter a name for the custom area, select Save Area again, and then access this from the Use a Saved Area on the upper left of the map. To access the drive time, distance search, and traffic counts on the map, select Driving. The Travel Time search option uses RPR's data on traffic patterns to enable the display of approximate driving times in average conditions. This search type is helpful, for instance, if a client is searching for a property no more than 15 minutes from a specific location, like an office, school, or other property. When you select travel time, enter a complete street address in the search address field, or move the map pin to where you want to center your search. Select Next to continue. Now you can adjust your travel time criteria. Are you looking for travel time by car or walking? What time of day are you traveling? What day of the week and how long is the length of your journey? Select Next after applying your criteria. A window appears showing the custom area size. Select Search in this area to search for listings within your custom shape. Click the highlighted area again to find your custom area options. Select Create Market Activity Report to redirect to the report's generation page and generate a market activity report for that area. And again, you can delete, edit, or save the area here. The distance search works similarly. Once you enter an address or move your PIN and select Next, you can now select the distance to search between 1 and 25 miles. Select Next, then search in this area. And your last driving option allows you to overlay traffic counts to your map. The tool displays estimated current and historical data based on average daily and average weekday traffic counts. Choose the traffic counts you want to see, select Apply. Now click on the traffic count icon to view the daily traffic counts as well as historical traffic. Moving down the screen, on the right side of the map, you'll see POIs, or points of interest. POIs are used to uncover amenities and businesses within close proximity of your search area. Once you select POI, you can select from the community and business POIs such as parks, grocery stores, shopping centers, daycares, hospitals, restaurants, and more. You can also select a grouping of points of interest preset defaults, the basics, entertainment, and seniors. Select Apply. The map will now display interactive map pins that you can click to see each place's business name, address, number of employees, sales volume, industry, and building square footage. If your zoom level is close enough, the map pins will represent the points of interest. One of the top priorities for many homebuyers is quality of schools. Right from the RPR map, select Schools and choose to search public, private, or charter, and elementary, middle, or high school. Click Apply to view directly on the map. A graduation cap icon will appear. Select to see the general school information, address, level type, and school rating. You can select the name of the school to view the full school details and reviews. Select Search in this area to search within the school district boundaries. There are many ways in which you can search using the RPR maps, but there are additional layers of information you can add while viewing maps to increase your knowledge of an area or help further your parameters of search. One of these is data layers, or heat maps, which showcase current market trends and historical data from up to 11 different data sets. Each layer a graphical representation of a geography's home values, average sales price, flood zones, square foot values, distressed properties, and more. The data layers displayed are intended to give users another way to understand trends and data for geographies of interest. It's helpful to choose the road map background option when using the map layers so you can better visualize the data. Choose an indicator such as 12-month change in estimated value or flood zones to see similarities and differences across the area you searched. A legend for interpreting the data is shown on the bottom right of the map. Use the Saved Area Search option if you have a predefined area that has been saved. From the menu, simply select the custom area. You can edit the list or rearrange the order in which you view. Select Update to save your changes. Your last map tool I'll cover is the Show Geographies dropdown. Use this to search by counties, townships, cities, zip codes, neighborhoods, census block groups, opportunity zones, school districts, and school attendance zones. Begin by selecting the geography you wish to search. Your zoom level may change automatically depending on the area you choose. Once a geographical boundary has been selected, it will be displayed on the map below, and you simply click to select. Click once on an area to select it. Click on any selected area to display options such as Search in this area, Create a Market Activity Report, and in some instances, Create a Neighborhood Report. You can also save the selected area from the pop-out. As you can see, RPR maps are big, powerful, and hopefully can help you find the perfect location for your client. And be sure to subscribe to the RPR YouTube channel. It's an easy way to learn more about RPR features and tools and stay current on updates and improvements.